Hey there guys, this is Coach Toy for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called find the largest number in a list. So it says create a function that takes a list of numbers, return the largest number in the list. So as you can see, the name of the function find largest num, and we have inside is a list. So as we can see, it's got 4, 5, 1, and 3, and the largest number is 5. And in here in this function, the largest number is going to be 600 and the largest number is going to be 1001. So how do we get the largest number in the list? So let's go to the code tab. So as you can see, the name of the function, find largest num, and here is the list nums. So what we can do is several ways to get the answer for this, but what we can do is we can return and using the function max, this will give us the answer and it will find the largest number in a list. So as you can see, should work. See, it passed all the tests. But another way we can also do this is, okay, we're going to initialize a variable over here. So let's name this variable largest. So we're going to get the first element of the list. So this is how we access the first element using 0 because 0 is the index of the first element. So what we're going to do after that is we're going to do a for loop. So for I in list in nums, that's the name of the list. So okay, if I is greater than largest, so we're going to compare it to, we're going to compare every element to the largest that's largest at that one point, because then we're going to have to replace it. So largest then converts, then that element converts to largest. So let's say 4 right here, that's what we started, that's the first element. And as we come to the next element, index 1, as you can see, 5 is greater than 4. So we're going to replace that 4 with the element 5. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to do for loop, go through the elements of the list, and if an element is larger than the largest that we had, then we replace it. So we're going to keep on replacing it until we find the largest. If the first one is the largest, then the loop is not going to replace largest at all, and then we're just going to return largest. But okay, so then we get out of this. So then we return largest, and we should get the answer. As you can see, it passed all the tests. If you want more coding solutions, please like and subscribe. Thank you.